Hello and welcome to today's phrase of the day. We're doing, this week's theme is wonderful weather, but with beautiful weather comes allergies. So today's phrase is, I'm going to sneeze. I'm Adelaide, the owner of TalkBox.Mom, where you talk in a foreign language with your family the same day you start, and I have a special guest, Mr. Hand.
Hello, everybody. My name is Mr. Hand. What Adelaide said.
Yes, okay. So Mr. Hand, you get to choose which language we're going to do this phrase of the day in. And if you guys want to follow along in the language of your choice, what can they do, Mr. Hand, to get our phrase of the day calendar?
They can do DMs and they can comment down below.
That's right, Mr. Hand. They can comment down below or do DMs. All right, Mr. Hand, are you ready to choose which language we're going to be doing this phrase in?
Yes, I'll get the random language button.
Okay, here is the random language generator. If you would push that for us, Mr. Hand.
Oh.
Okay, you chose Romanian.
Okay.
Are you ready? Are you ready, Mr. Hand, to do the phrase of the day? I'm trying to make it light again in here. It got a little dark. Okay.
Just go little.
To get to this phrase, we're going to go to S, and then we're going to go
for
over
super hand.
for super hand. I love it. We're going to go over to sneeze.
Sneeze.
And Mr. Hand, if I could ask you to speak a little louder, would that be okay?
Okay.
All right, perfect. Okay, so the phrase again is I'm going to sneeze, and we're doing this in Romanian, so let's give it a go.
O să
strănut.
strănut.
O să strănut.
O să strănut.
O să strănut. O să strănut. We're just starting Romanian, so if you're doing it at home and you've been working on this, I'm sure you did an excellent job. We're just trying it out, but Mr. Hand, I think that was a good start. What do you think?
Yes, that was a very good start.
Okay, wonderful. If you're using this phrase or making a funny video with it, please tag us in the Instagram stories at TalkBox.Mom, and we'll see you there. Bye!